Burlington right now in the middle of October, the prices are down 15% compared to last year. That's a drop of approximately $100,000. If you're thinking of buying a house anytime soon in Burlington, you are going to want to watch this video because in this video, I'm going to share with you the raw data without any sales spin. By the end of this video, you are going to know more than the average buyer and maybe even more than the average agent as to what is going on in the Burlington market. And if I can help in any way, if you're thinking of buying or selling in Burlington, you can call or text me at that number. But that's not why you're here. So let's start off with prices because everybody wants to know where the prices are going, if they're going up or down. They're mostly going down. So spoiler alert, I don't think that's a hot take anymore. Everybody knows what's going on in the market. As of right now, middle of October, so these numbers will change slightly by the end of October. But as of right now, detached homes are down more than 5% compared to last year. Right now, we are selling for about $1.267 million. That's the average price for a detached house. Sorry, getting over a cold. Freehold townhomes, they're still selling they're pretty expensive. They're selling for over $900,000. And last year they were selling for about 920. So not a huge change in freehold townhomes, not really many good deals to be found there. The best deals for buyers right now are in condo buildings because as I will show you later on, they are struggling the most. And that's not exclusive just to Burlington. Burlington right now in the middle of October, the prices are down 15% compared to last year. That's a drop of approximately $100,000. Last year they were selling for $662,000 in October, and in the middle of October this year they're selling for $563,000. Condo townhomes pretty much flat, not a big change. And sales were actually up slightly this September compared to last September. Last year it was 169, and this September it was 197. Not a huge change, but we are definitely in a buyer's market because the sales to new listings ratio right now is at 32%, meaning this just counts how many new listings come up that month and how many actually sell. So this September, only 32% actually sold, and whereas last year it was 49%. So the market has gotten worse compared to last year. And months of supply also went up. It went up from 3 months last year to 5 months of inventory this year. So definitely a buyer's market. Definitely, if you're trying to sell a house, especially a condo in Burlington, yeah, it's going to take a long, long time. And this shows you month by month what has been happening. You can see the market kind of peaked this year around May and June. I had about 256 homes sold. That was the highest. This September, we have 197. And October, right now, as we sit with about 11 days left to go, we're sitting at about 120 homes sold. I don't see this crossing 200. It's unlikely. It might, but that would mean it's probably going to be around what happened in September, about 197. Now, let's get into more details like what's actually selling, what's not selling in Burlington. Now, where is the demand? Right now, the best selling type of home is detached homes. Their demand is at about 38%, which means that 38% of the new listings that are coming up in that month are actually selling. That's the sales to new listings ratio. So that's the highest one right now. Detached homes and freehold townhomes, they're doing the best. So if you're trying to sell one of those types of homes, you're going to do okay. They're still selling. The ones that are struggling the most are condo townhomes and especially condo apartments. They are sitting at about 21% and 23%. So that's a deep, deep buyer's market. So if you're looking to buy and you happen to be looking for a condo building or a condo townhouse, that's probably where you're going to do the best negotiations. Same thing with supply. There is tons and tons of supply. So please, I hate, even in this market, I hate seeing that, oh, we beat up 4 offers. Obviously, if a townhouse is worth 800 and you price it at 500, obviously you're going to get multiple offers. But if you happen to be one of the unlucky ones who are bidding in that situation, I would not even recommend it. But if you happen to be bidding there, if the townhouse is worth 800, I hope you didn't pay more than 775 to 800. I hope you didn't get caught up in the excitement, ended up paying $850. Hopefully that didn't happen to you because there's tons and tons of supply. Right now, we are sitting at 6 months of inventory for condo townhomes and 7 months of inventory for condo buildings, which means that if no other condo building listings come up, we have 7 months before everything else runs out at this pace that we're going at. Detached homes, freehold townhomes, once again, like I said, they're doing the best overall. So not that it's a seller's market for them. They're more in a balanced market. 4 months of inventory for detached homes and freehold townhomes. Um, like I said, condo buildings are doing the worst of all. And I will also be doing market updates for Oakville, Milton, and Halton Hills. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do market updates for that. And like I said before, if you are thinking of buying or selling in Burlington, because it's not always that you can always just wait for the bottom of the market. A lot of people need to buy for family reasons. And if that is one of the reasons you're thinking of buying in Burlington, you can call or text me at that number. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.